This is to demonstrate Safe Route, a web application that transforms urban navigation by prioritizing personal safeties through advanced geospatial technology and data visualization. It's taking advantage of Google Maps platform for the realistic 3D maps and go beyond traditional route planning to offer users a comprehensive, immersive experience that will help them navigate cities with confidence and security. So the core features of this implementation will include safety-driven route planning, photorealistic 3D visualization, and gamification elements, which include safety score calculation, risk assessment and visualization, and personalized safety recommendations. The technical stack used here will include React.js from the front end, Google Cloud Shell scripter used as development platform, and Google Maps JavaScript API and photorealistic 3D maps for the 2D and 3D rendering, and some data integration from Google's API and services. For a quick walkthrough, in order to use the implementation, we will need to configure the API key in the environment and index.html files, and then enable these APIs in the Google Cloud Console. Then to initialize the Google Shell Editor environment with these comments. Now we can preview the website from the preview window. The starting UI will look like this. So you can enter the start location, the destination, choose the time of travel, and your desired travel mode. Here, we can toggle avoid high risk or to enable avoid all risks, and then to click on find safe routes, which is going to trigger the calculation of risk score and safety scores in the back end. So it's going to look like this when the calculation is finished. The app is going to give us some recommendations. So here we are looking at two routes with their distance, duration, and safety scores. We can actually check these different routes and make some comparisons. So from the legend, we can tell the route segments is split into different safety levels. For example, for Route 2 here, the road segments contains 5 pieces of it based on different risk levels. Now let's see how the avoid high risk and avoid all risks button work. So if we don't click either of them, the app is going to recommend us, for example, 3 routes. The second route here apparently contain a road segment that's inside the danger zone, I would say. So now if we want to avoid the danger zone, we just click on the avoid high risk button. So now we can see the app is only going to recommend us 2 routes, which is hiding the second route. Also, if we want to know exactly what's the neighborhood and what's the surrounding look like for the risk segments, we can scroll to the bottom of route information and click on the high risk or medium risk level road segments. The map is going to be turned on into a 3D perspective. And now it's zoomed into the road segments so we can tell what the details of the neighborhood look like. Okay, so in conclusion, Safe Route is combining geospatial technology, data visualization, user-centric design that cares for users' safety concerns, and we've created a solution that empowers users to make informed and safety-cautious travel decisions.